Yo, what is up, Dub Chasers? Today, we're going to be installing a nice little catless downpipe on a GTI Mk7. So, for this install, you're going to see Vince under there, and you're going to see Josh standing up there. He's just looking pretty, and Vincent's doing all the work. All right, so let's get to it.
Yep. Okay.
So, wow, how do you get to those? Oh, I remember this now. Okay. Josh, you know the yellow thing holding the sockets? The yellow deep wells?
Yep.
I'm looking for a 15.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
And then we're also gonna probably just... Is that the bolt or is that... Oh, you are in such an annoying spot. Hate you. That is in such a weird spot right now.
I got you.
Yeah, can you actually like push? We're going towards. If those your feet, the opposite of your feet.
Yep. I can feel it. Hang on.
What are you trying to push out right
Maybe
now?
I can get a better angle for us. Give me a second. Let me get my hand in there. So obviously there's that. Hold on.
Okay. Vince, you need to let go.
Oh, okay. I was just holding it in place.
All right. All right, hold in place for just a moment.
Yeah, I'm holding it. Oh, great. You just want to farther down.
No, that's good. That's a good thing.
I don't really know if I can my arm.
That's super funky.
Man, you got some thick triceps.
Oh, dude, that's from pushing carts, dude. I'm telling you, my muscle mass has gained insane amounts. So the thing that I'm trying to figure out is, CTS downpipe doesn't have these mounting holes, like the stock one does. So I might just take off the entire bracket. But I don't want to just take it off and try to remove it because then it won't even fit whatsoever. Yeah. So either way, we have to go about this.
All right.
Hello. Okay.
Oh, wow, yeah, you got...
Yep, we got a lot to work with right now.
Do you need any help?
You know, I'm probably gonna need some help.
What do you want me to
Well,
grab?
no, it's maneuvering this thing through the tunnel that it goes through.
Yep. So I can.
It needs to turn. If you're looking from the back of the car forward, it has to turn clockwise. Oh, this thing is so flimsy. No way am I about to finesse this that easily.
Yeah.
My body's in the way.
Imagine my big ass.
Oh, I don't even give a heck. No, okay, no, my body's really in the way. Excuse me, sir, we need to go back in. Okay, we can play like that too. I want to see if it's
almost all the way out.
No, I know. I'm making sure that the wire of the O2 sensor isn't being like... Oh, yep. That's exactly what it was happening. Oh, yeah, mama.
There she is.
Look at this thing. Hold on. Okay, let's get out of the car. So this is how it was sitting. Look at this flex pipe. Not to mention it's already broken. Boy!
Do you need some muscles here, kid?
Yeah, go for it.
I'll probably not
That's-
be able to do it. Here. We're going towards the car, right?
Towards the car, yeah.
Alright, yeah, let's use the right arm clues. You ready?
Hold on, no, lift. We need to keep it try to like this.
Okay.
Yep, yep, now push this car. Oh my,
Holy mother of mackerel.
wait, are we sure this is...
That arm, right.
Sweet. Okay. So adapter and breaker bar.
There you go, kid.
Oh wow.
There's a pull.
You know, I might have just bent the outlet, but right here. You see what I'm touching?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
like-
because now that bracket is all of its. Before I have a stroke, that bracket goes to one centerpiece. That centerpiece is mounted into the block by two 17mm bolts.
You want me to get that up?
I'm saying at this point, there's nothing to.
Wait,
Let me
There's no reason
look
for
at
it.
it from underneath.
What, are you looking at the turbo? You're right, I haven't seen this.
Gauge flashlight.
wow, we should have started out with the downpipe block.
Okay, no.
See how loud she is.
Oh, but back pressure.
Dang, those turbines look good.
Yeah, Vince.
Yeah, there's that.
Yeah, Josh.
This is an easy. Can I get a 17 mil? That's half inch.
No, I'm doing it, Josh. It's my car.
Man, I'm literally under here.
Too bad I'm coming under there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my back is on the bracket.
Just give me the.
This isn't even a 17, my guy.
Oh my gosh.
The 17 is somewhere around here. That's not it, and I don't think this is it. This is a 13.
The deep's not even gonna be a good idea. You need a shallow.
We're taking off that bracket that's no longer in use with the new downpipe. So it's just a free. If we didn't take it off, it would be a free sitting bracket, and it would bounce off of the downpipe and create an annoying rattle or such.
Man, it's not like he knows already.
Well, that's because that's what is bouncing right here.
Yes.
But now I'll probably connect it through the rest of the OEM system.
Probably a good idea.
Josh, I'm gonna fight you. I swear to God.
That wasn't even sarcastic. That was serious.
I know. I still just want to fight you.
This is getting very toxic quickly.
So then what's left?
Nothing there.
Connecting the bracket and then connecting the middle.
Whatever she says.
Are you gonna connect the middle to the
Yeah. Well, we'll start it without it first, just because.
Intimidating.
Where did I put those? Oh.
Alright, this is pretty good. This is tighter than it has been.
Oh God, where is these? Oh shit. Josh, am I good to like fully maneuver this thing? Because this has a far way to go.
Yeah,
Okay.
go for it. Yeah, flex pipe stuff.
No, let me fucking say something.
What is that?
It needs to like scoot a little bit diagonal towards me, just so slightly.
You see him over there?
You have no idea. These brackets are not in a good spot. You see how far it is?
hole? Yeah.
The hole is right. I can't see because of the light now, but nope.
They need to go up a little
It
bit.
needs to move this way, towards the car, and now slightly down. Oh! Come on. Slightly more towards the passenger side. Oh! That's in position. You're good.
That's how it's done. It's legally recommended. And for your ears, legally.
Okay, so I think just alone it sounds.
Gimme.
I like it.
Well, we also aren't driving with it at
Check
all.
engine, dude. Yet? No. Oh, that smell.
Oh my God. That's just.
That's nice. Let's go.
I mean, that's coming straight out of a 3-inch, so. Tyler, did you hear the turbo?
Is that a Honda?
Fuck the windpipe, dude. Rock this.
As of right now, we don't have a check engine light.
How's it smell?
Vince, we need to take this thing down and just take it around the block with it just like this.
Fine.
No, yeah, I don't want to lift this thing up like that.
Actually, yeah, that is strange as fuck. So I think you should make a decision if you're gonna put that shit in there or not.
We got the push to start. You already know.
It's gonna sound like sex.
That's raspy.
That's nice. That's nice. This is how a car should sound.
What you doing, Ma? Alright, well, let's go.
Yeah, dude, put it in full sport mode.
Yeah. Okay, that's way too loud. Holy shit.
So is the mid-pipe going on?
The mid-pipe is, oh my god, but you hear these crackles? Okay, that was way too fucking loud. 2,000 RPM shift and it still farts.
So what'd you decide on the exhaust?
Oh, we're definitely moving forward and putting on the rest of it.
Mass genocide of levels. Oh, dude.
Are we ready?
Yep.
Yep.
Please. Oh my god, it's so quiet.
It's so quiet.
It's so quiet. Just wait till we get out of it.
It's a night and day difference right now. It's legal now.
I was gonna say. You're clear. Too clear. Oh, dude, that sounds really good. That sounds really good. See some new tires.
Dude, this car doesn't like traction.
We gotta get a conclusion here from you. So what do you think?
I feel like downpipe alone, it's bad. 100%. Downpipe with OEM catback sounds good. I'm okay with that. And then I feel like CTS turbo catback with the CTS turbo downpipe, I feel like it'll be in between. So I don't.
Is the catback? Does it have a muffler? Do you know?
It has two mufflers. I don't know how dense they are though.
Okay.
But I feel like it would definitely calm down the gargling noise that we heard.
So what would you rate this install out of 10?
As of right now, with the OEM catback,
Like
I'd give it like
give a score for ease of install and then result.
Okay, install, if you're able to have 3 people working on it, 3 people that decently know what they're doing, it's easy. It's easy 9, 10 out of 10. Sound wise alone, I would give it maybe like a 2. Unless you want to go full race car, then it's a 10. It's a fucking 10. Daily driving, stick with the... I mean, if you don't have a catback and you're just going downpipe, stick with the OEM catback and make sure you have that installed right. And that's... I give that like an 8 or 9, no doubt. It's nice. It's nice 100%.
All right. Tyler, you want a outro?
All right. Thanks for watching another Dub Chasers videos. We'll be right back with another install video. It's gonna be sick. What is up, Dub Chasers?
Trust working on a car.
Have you ever seen my ass? This is Dub Chasers. Are we having a fight?
No, not yet.
Why are we fighting?
Okay, so...
Damn it, man! Why are we fighting?
Josh.
Yeah.
Dub Chasers.
Oh, I
We're
actually
back with
have a
another
light
install.
out.
We're
Yeah.
installing some LED license plate lights on the red Mk7.
I would not keep that. His license plate number's in there. Somebody like me will come find him. So, any of you creeps out there, hit me up. Butter Music 1.
Like, comment, subscribe.